Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I have some new Fantasy Cosmetica to share with you guys today. They are about to drop their new Lost Library collection that's going to include quite a number of items. Now, all of the goodies that I'm going to be swatching for you, showing you guys are going to drop on November the 19th, and my affiliate code Steff will save you 10% off of your order. As soon as I can find out a time that they're going to drop on their website, I will update the description box. But let's start with this palette. So this is going to be an empty magnetic palette, and then you're going to get 6 different singles. Now, each single is going to have a different price. So they are all going to range from $8.99 to $18.99, and all of these are going to be holochrome shadows. So I will be doing some up close live swatches of these singles for you guys. I'm going to show you how they look on their own and how they look over a black base, and I will be creating an eye look using these shadows as well as another Fantasy Cosmetica palette that I have in my stash. Also in the collection are 9 different lipsticks. Now, the shadows are limited edition. The lipsticks are going to be permanent. The shade that I'm wearing right now is a really pretty pink shade, and this is what the packaging looks like. It does have that magnetic closure. This shade that I have on is called Obscure, and I will be doing lip swatches of all 9 shades. There's also going to be some perfume that's going to drop, and what I'm particularly excited about is this beautiful candle. This smells like a fresh apples. If you love an apple scent, an apple orchard scent, this is definitely going to be something that you're going to want to pick up, and it does come with the little lid. Again, everything drops on November the 19th, and my affiliate code Steff will save you 10% off of your order. The lipsticks are going to retail for $10.99 each, and the candle, do I have a price on the candle here? I don't have a price on the candle. I only have a price for the perfumes. The perfumes are all going to range from $32.99 to $2.29. I love that Fantasy Cosmetica includes this sheet of information whenever they do send out. Oh, here's the candle. It's in the back. The candle is going to retail for $29.99. Guys, a paper like this included in PR packages, I wish more brand owners would be able to do, because that helps us content creators so much when we are getting ready for our videos. We want to make sure that we're passing on the correct information for you guys. And thank you so much, Jordan, the owner of Fantasy Cosmetica, for sending this paper, for always including something. Her and Amanda from Ladybug Glow, they are real good about inserting information in the PR boxes. That way we can pass it along to you guys. If it is your first time here on my channel, I just want to say hello and welcome to all of you. My name is Steff, and I love trying out new makeup, especially new indie makeup. I am primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos, all that good stuff. If that sounds great to you, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button and hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of Fantasy Cosmetica, or you want to see what this entire collection is all about, you want to see some lip swatches, eyeshadow swatches, be sure to give this video a thumbs up before you go. As usual, everything that I'm wearing will be linked and listed in the description box, and some of those links might be affiliate links. So if you do end up shopping through them, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. I'm going to move you on over to the other side of my filming room. We're going to get started with arm swatches of the 6 holographic shadows that are in here. Again, I'm going to show you how they look on their own and then on top of a black base. And then I'm going to be creating an eye look for you guys, and then we will close with the lip swatch portion, and then I will give you guys my final thoughts. If you all want to see this new Fantasy Cosmetica Lost Library collection in action, keep on watching. Okay guys, so here is the Lost Library palette. When we open it up, you do get a mirror there, and then these are the 6 holographic shadows that you're getting. Let me go ahead and just name them for you before we begin. This first one is called Grimoire, and this one is going to retail for $18.99. The next one is called Song, and Song is going to retail for $14.99. This one right here, number 3 is what I'm calling it. This one is Codex, and this one is going to retail for $18.99. This one down here would be shade 4. This one is called Tomb, and Tomb is going to retail for $14.99. This 5th shade right here, this one is called Book. This one will retail for $14.99 as well. And then this last shade over here, shade 6, this one is called Scroll, and this shade right here is going to retail for $14.99 as well. So now let's start swatching. I'm going to start first with Grimoire. That's what it looks like on my finger, and you can see the little reflex in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this palette over here. Let's go ahead and swatch. Am I in frame? Here we go. Look at that. Ooh, how pretty. Now I'm going to swatch these on their own, and then I'm going to put them over a black base. There's Grimoire. Next up is the shade Song. Wow, that is so pretty. Kind of like a rainbow effect there. Very smooth, very easy on the texture. These feel very smooth, like buttery smooth. Next up, we have the shade Codex. OMG, look at that green. Oh, we love a good green on this channel, don't we guys? Gorgeous. Next is going to be Tomb. Put that right here. Oh, that is so pretty. It has like maybe a light brown base to it. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's actually, I think, maybe one of my favorite shades so far. Next is shade 5. This one is called Book. Put Book right there. I can't get over how buttery smooth these are. Loving them. One more, guys. This last shade. This one is going to be called Scroll. Here. Stunning. Woo. Okay. So here are the 6 shades. Now I'm going to swatch them on top of a black base, and I'm going to use the black shadow that is in the Fantasy Cosmetica Warlock palette. Okay guys, so here's what those 6 shades look like on top of a black base. Really pretty. You can see it does darken them up just a little bit, but I actually think they're really pretty on their own, and they are just oh so buttery smooth. Let's go ahead and go back to my filming desk, and we'll start creating a look with these beautiful shadows. Okay guys, so I am going to be using the Warlock palette, also from Fantasy Cosmetica. I believe this was their last release, and typically what Fantasy Cosmetica does is they release 9-pan palettes. This time they're releasing 6 holographic singles, but we're gonna use this so that way we can have the mattes in here. So what I think I'm going to do is, and I'm only going to be able to create one look. I am going somewhere after this, so I need to have one look going on instead of 2. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this shade called Pact. And then I think I'm going to go into this shade down here, or maybe I'll do the red and this shade. Not entirely sure. This is a dark blue. But let me start here first, and then let's see where the look takes us. Now, I did prime my eyelids already with the Sugar Drizzle eyeshadow primer, and I do have a code over at Sugar Drizzle. It is Steff10. And that will save you 10% off of your order. The brush I am using is from Blend Bunny Cosmetics, and I believe it is the B5 brush. Now in a Rephr 14 mini, I'm going to go into this dark blue. All right, guys, now it's time to have some fun with these holographic shadows. I think I'm going to start here. This one is the shade Codex, And I'm going to apply that. I'm going to start right here on the outer corner, and then I think I will work into this shade. This shade right here is called Scroll. And I'm using the Luxie 245 brush to apply. Have a little bit of fallout there. I don't think it's from, I think it was from the matte shadow. That is so pretty. It ties in perfectly with this look. Now on that same brush, I'm going into the shade Scroll. Oh, beautiful. Look at that, guys. So good. And these are smooth. I mean, there's maybe just a hint of texture, but I feel like they're more smooth than anything. I love that so, so much. You can see the different shifts in the shadows. Okay, I'm gonna go back into the Warlock palette, and let's see, I'm wearing like a maroon top. I could go in with this one, Power, just to kind of tie it together a little bit. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go in with Power and maybe even add a little bit of Packed underneath it. Taking Power on a Rephr 26. We're gonna do something different for the inner corner right here. That way I can at least use 3 of those shadows in today's look. Now I'm taking a little bit of the shade Packed on the same Rephr 26, and I'm just going to add that like right below the red. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Song. I'm using the same Rephr 26. I just sprayed it. Ooh, okay. I am going to go off camera to take care of the finishing touches. I don't think I'm going to do lashes today. It is like a rainy, ugly day today. But I am going to do some mascara, some eyeliner, and I will be right back to show you guys the completed look with the Lost Library collection. Okay guys, so here is the completed look with the Lost Library collection in conjunction with the Warlock palette. I did change lippies. This is the shade Lost. It's like a beautiful kind of burnt orange shade. I thought it paired perfectly with this eye look. Let me tell you some of the products that I went in with. The mascara I have on is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. I have NYX Epic Wear eyeliner in the shade Orange Zest on the lower waterline. And the top lash line I tight lined with Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Skinny Eyeliner. Love the way this look turned out. Now let's start lip swatching all 9 shades of these new lipsticks, and then I will wrap up today's video. Okay, guys, so that is the entire Fantasy Cosmetica Lost Library collection, swatched, demoed, you name it. I think Fantasy Cosmetica thought of everything when it came to this collection. I love that they include different items other than makeup, like they include perfumes. Now, of course, there's this beautifully scented candle, guys. If you love a fresh apple scent, this candle is a must have. Once again, everything is going to drop on November the 19th. My affiliate code Steff will save you 10% off of your order. They are also going to start, let's see, they have some Black Friday sales going on, and those also start on November the 19th. There's going to be, let me just give you a quick rundown of this. So palettes are going to be 22% off. Plus, you can use an affiliate code. So you can use mine, Steff, to take an additional 10% off that already 22% discount. Single shadows will be 30% off plus an affiliate code. Perfumes will be 25% off plus an affiliate code. Lip oils, 25% off plus affiliate code. Any bundle options that they have on their site will be 25 to 30% off, again, plus affiliate code. And then the Lost Library collection, oh, look at this. Okay, I hadn't seen this. It's actually going to start off with an 8% discount, plus you use an affiliate code to get an extra 10% off. It's like you're getting 18% off this entire Lost Library collection. That is so awesome. And their Black Friday sales run from November the 19th to November the 29th. I don't see any times on here, but again, please check the description box because hopefully I will have some time information. That way you guys can set your alarms and be sure to grab any of your favorite Fantasy Cosmetica products. Maybe you want to get this collection, or maybe you've missed out on past palettes and perfumes that you really want to have in your stash. This is a fairly new brand to my stash. This is the third time that I try Fantasy Cosmetica, and I've been really impressed with the quality of their shadows, just with their brand as a whole. I think they have a very bright future ahead of them, and I am so glad that I'm able to support them. Thank you, Jordan and the Fantasy Cosmetica team, for sending all of these goodies to me in PR. I will have my Fantasy Cosmetica playlist linked in a pinned comment in case you guys want to go and check out any other Fantasy Cosmetica looks and reviews that I have here on my channel. Let me know your thoughts now, guys. Let me know if this collection, the Lost Library collection, is going to be finding its way into your stash. Let me know what you thought of the look and all of those swatches. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.